A very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Welcome to today's rundown for Tuesday the 21st of December. Just gone through 10:30 now here in London. In terms of the finish for the Asian equity markets, gains around 1.5% were seen in both the Nikkei and the Shanghai Composite, pretty much fully reversing the losses that were seen yesterday as some of that geopolitical tension in the Korean Peninsula has eased somewhat overnight. Elsewhere, in terms of the Bank of Japan's interest rate decision, that went as expected and didn't really move the market as they kept rates on hold at 0.1%. Overnight, though, heading into the European Open, we did see some comments from Chinese Vice Premier Wang, who did say that they continue to provide concrete support to Europe through the Eurozone debt crisis. Those supportive comments from China for Europe did buoy the euro overnight, which was trading sharply higher across the board. However, as we head into the European morning, the euro did get knocked back and pared back some of those overnight gains after Moody's has come out and placed a sovereign rating of Portugal on watch for a potential downgrade. Nevertheless, though, we'll keep an eye on the US come in as euro is still holding on to marginal gains with those Chinese comments supporting. In terms of the other things which we have seen very much being based around economic data as well. Today from the UK we had the latest in terms of the public finances numbers, which were a little worse than expected. Borrowing as well in the UK is at record levels, and that has knocked sterling and the currencies quite aggressively, with around a 50 pip move lower in cable, which now trades in negative territory. Elsewhere, one of the other things which we have seen as well has been Spanish T-bill auctions and a 3 and 6 month maturity. They went through pretty fine, as has been the trend of late. They continue to pay quite a high premium, though, in order to get those sales away, but reaction in the markets has been relatively muted. Looking forward then, volumes have been light and they should probably much continue to be that way for today and the rest of the week. There's another light economic calendar in terms of the US, just a weekly ICSC and Red Book numbers, and we've also got the API oil inventory numbers due after the market. And for the New York Fed, they're conducting a further 2 outright Treasury coupon purchases. Today they are targeting the June 2016, November 2017 maturities for 7 to 9 billion, and we'll have a TIPS purchase of 2012 to 2040 for 1 to 2 billion as well later today. That concludes the European opening wrap. We'll have another update at the cash close in Europe this afternoon. So I wish you all a great trading day.